like, share, and subscribe. Tell you. You want to promote it on my channel?
No.
Okay.
Because I don't want a million people start asking me a lot of questions.
You got a motor.
You put on their page.
Yeah.
Out the Trans Am?
Out the Trans Am, the one that just popped the wheelie on the motor. Somebody'll want that. I want it a little bit. Hey, it's me, Kevin. Remember me?
Set that shit up.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, this ass was, he got off the gas, man. I lost my goddamn bitch.
Damn. It looked like he got off, too.
He did, man.
I don't remember Kevin. I know my uncle named Kevin, man. I don't remember, no. I know too many Kevins. You got to be more specific, Kevin. You want it? What's up with it, man?
I'm over there with it. Fuck it, I give you 3 to 1. That's what I thought. I'm over there.
I'm over there with it. Hey,
I give you 3 to 1. You want it?
out?
I'm over there.
You said 3 to 1? Yeah. That's right.
Too, man. Mills, you gave him 3 to 1. That motherfucker lucky in the motherfucker, man. Who that? Right here, man.
60 to 20.
Man, 60 to 20. He took the bet, man. God damn. Right before, I know y'all heard that. Am I coming to Lights Out in Georgia in a couple weeks? I don't know. We got Dwayne in the building.
You trying to foot race?
Yeah.
What's your age?
Yeah, I think I'm ready to do you today. Let me check my shit. Hell yeah, I'll take this suit off, boy.
Nope, you gotta leave that one.
Hell no, I'm taking this off. I'll take this suit off and try you. Spray him down, spray him down. Represent you and I want you to represent me, bro. I'm ready. Y'all want to check out some more, street racing footage, man. Y'all check out 660 videos. As soon as you type in 660, you'll see them on there. They always clear. They be up early in the morning, late at night. Oh, what's up? You met me in the club the other night. Gave me your Twitch and YouTube. Yeah, man, I be advertising all in the strip club, man. What's up with it, man? Well, you know I can't see the 660. I don't see nothing but the 660. What's the 660 syndicate, ain't it? 660 syndicate. My bad, no problem. Man, he made a badass pass right there.
Boy.
I'm in the group chat with you. Hey, post your channel, man, cause I forgot that it is about 3 660s out there, and all I can see is 660. So don't mind me. Don't take it offensive. Still want to trade hoodies and everything. You hear me?
Buddy made a pass.
Man, hey, he made a badass pass right there, man.
Buddy
That's one of them
pass.
all out, I don't know who gonna win pass right there. Him versus the orange cart with AMP, that he made a badass pass.
Yeah.
Okay, text me in a minute, man.
I'll take that Mustang on that orange.
You'll take that Mustang?
Yeah.
Stepco coming in here doing his business, man. Yeah, text me in a minute.
See,
660 Productions, man. My bad, that is right. Huh?
You see your tuner pulled up.
Yeah, the tuner pulled up. I know, damn, I know three. That is crazy. I know 3 660s, man. Y'all check out 660 Productions, y'all. I think they in North Carolina, ain't it? Oh, I'm scared to even say what I be thinking now. I think they in North Carolina, man. I see you, Chandler. My bad. I got you. I can see that text. Yeah, 660, my bad. We got keys in the bed. We need to see who he's gonna get to, man. Yeah, I remember. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, you got the Fed. I remember that. Bet on the left lane next race. Let me see who running Super Mike. Hold on. They betting over here on the quarter. Who won? Who won? Y'all finna double or nothing? Bet 20 right here.
Call it. Bet 20.
Bet 20.
Okay, go.
Call it. That's tails, man. Who doing it now?
Go.
20. Tails again. Damn, man. Tails never fail in this motherfucker. One more time. 20 more? Heads for the first time. 40 one time. Tails again. God. Tumbling. He want to see it tumble, man. He want to see it turn in a circle and all that.
That's 10.
He doing it for the 80.
That's it. Nope.
Do it for the 80. I did it. Let's see who he running.